So yeah, today I found an ice cream truck. It was just around my block. We were chasing it, then it turned around. Yeah, we caught it. Anyway, I have this Tweety Bird popsicle. So we're gonna see how it looks. You can see it's orange and cherry flavor. Gumball eyes. Yeah, I've had this before. Hang on, oh, it's not on a stick. Oh, there it is on a stick. I was like, what the? Why, I don't know why it was all the way to the side. So yeah, here's how it looks. Yeah, not perfect. It's kind of smeared. Maybe it's because it got melted a little. But yeah, we'll see how it tastes actually first. It's pretty good. But yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.